back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are new to my channel, my name is Tyme and you are welcome to Tyme Best Food Family. And for my many subscribers, I say welcome back once again to Tyme What Best. Yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook Ewa Agoyin. So let's go. So this is my parboiled beans. I'm trying to wash it once again. You can see the water. Look at the water, it's so black. So I'm trying to wash it again. So I added 4 cups of water. I'm going to go on and cover it, then I'll put it on my gas. So these are our beans. I'm not going to touch it, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to leave it and let it cook, and everything will soft, like I will show you guys. I think it's time for us to check what we are cooking. So let's go and put our salt and our sugar. Yes. So we are going to go on now and add our salt. You can just add 1 spoon of salt. It depends on the quantity of the beans you are cooking. So I'm going to go on and add my sugar. This is my sugar. So 2 spoons of sugar is enough. Then I'm going to turn it together. So this is it. After I've already turned everything together, we are still going to wait and let it cook. I add a little bit of water. If you think you still need water, and you put it in a low heat. So when I see that yes, this is Ewa Agoyin, so I'm just going to leave it. So I'm trying to prepare our stew now, because the stew is the what go for the Ewa Agoyin. So I'm going to use this pepper. It's hot chili. Assuming I can get the dry that I share will have been okay, but I'm just going to use this. Yeah, if you have bell pepper, you can just dry it with your oven, then you can blend it. You don't let it blend too much like that, so I'm just going to let it blend like this. So I'm going to use this one. Yeah, so let's go. So this is my palm oil. I'm going to add my onion. So what I did in that palm oil is that I mixed it with my groundnut oil, because I don't want to use too much of palm oil. So you can mix it with your groundnut oil, then you add your onions. We let our onion fry, like we are going to let it fry well. So we are going to put our dry pepper. Yeah. Okay. Look at our onions. We are still going to let it fry a little bit more. So I'm going to go on now and add my garlic powder. I prefer using garlic powder than fresh one. So I'll go on now and add small curry powder. Then my thyme, just a little bit. And I'll go on and add my nutmeg. Okay. Mix it together. You can see our onions. Okay, it's time to add our pepper. Okay, so we are just going to let it fry in a low heat. You can see it. So I'm going to let it continue frying in a low heat. I'm going to add my salt and my Maggi cube. Your Maggi. If you want to add salt, just be very careful. You don't have too much of salt. You can see that not even is finished. So let's mix it together. We are going to leave it and let it cool in a low heat. Check out our Ewa Agoyin. Check it out. Can you see that? We're still cooking. Yeah. So this is the outcome of it. I've blended everything finished, so I'm going to transfer it back. If you don't want to go through this process, I'll just advise you that you should slice your onions, like you should cut it like cube. if that is correct. So you just go on and fry it well. But me, I prefer doing it this way. I prefer frying my onions and the pepper together first, then I will go on and remove everything, then I will blend everything together. So this is it. So we are going to leave it and let it cook in a low heat. So this is the outcome of our Ewa Agoyin. You can go on and eat it with some bread. You can only go on with bread, with aggregate bread, not sliced bread though. Like, it's been long I eat this food. Oh my god. It's been long since, I mean, maybe since 10 years ago. Yeah, it's been long ago. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You can try it in 2 ways. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh. Like. Wow. Oh. So yeah. Let me say. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Don't fall down.
It's so yummy.
It's so yummy, right?
Yes, they're all the rest of the food.
They're all delicious.
Yes.
Like.
The
So.
mosquito.
Oh, it's so hot. I don't.
She wants to take the camera.
Mama Saya, what are you doing? So these are jollof rice. Mom, mom. Daddy. Yeah, it's daddy. Daddy. If you try me. Okay. Live and direct. That is what they call hungry. So thank you guys for coming once again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please like and share my video. Bye.